When you go to the coffee shop or a restaurant, how do you order food or drinking by using Japanese? In this lesson, we will learn about how to order food or order the drinking when you go to the restaurant or a coffee shop. So, how to say for how to order drinks at a coffee shop? In Japanese, they say like 喫茶店で飲み物の注文方法. One more again. 喫茶店で飲み物の注文方法. 喫茶店 is mean cafe shop or coffee shop. And 飲み物is mean the drinking. Anything that you can drink, they say 飲み物. And for the 注文 is mean order. 注文します which mean I will order. So 注文 and 方法 is mean how to. This mean how to. So when you put that 注文 and 方法 together, it mean how to order. How to order. So in this lesson, we will learn the expression in Japanese that you use when you go to the restaurant or a coffee shop or a cafe shop. When you arrive at a cafe shop, the staff of the shop, the staff of the cafe shop, you say like this to you. いらっしゃいませ。何にしましょうか。いらっしゃいませ。何にしましょうか。Which means welcome. What would you like to order? いらっしゃいませ is mean welcome. This means you welcome you to the cafe shop. And 何にしましょうか. This means what do you want to order? Or we say the polite way that what would you like to order? So the first thing the staff will say like this to you. So you have to remember. The first express いらっしゃいませ this means when they say faster, they just say いらっしゃいませ. But if you say slowly, you can say like いらっしゃいませ. いらっしゃいませ. And you say faster, it could be いらっしゃいませ like this. And the next. So after the staff say what would you like to order, you can say like カフェラテの M サイズアイスでお願いします。カフェラテの M サイズアイスでお願いします。Which means I have a M size ice latte, please. Or you can say like please give me a M size ice latte, like this. So in this case, you would, if you enter to the coffee shop, they will have a menu. So the first you look at the menu and you say the name of the menu and the size. In here they say M size, which means M size, right? And the name of the menu is mean cafe latte. So, and after that you follow by お願いします。お願いします which mean praise. And after that, maybe in the coffee shop, they will have the service that you can take out or you can drink inside the coffee shop. So in the case like this, you can say if you want to drink in the coffee shop, you don't bring back home. You can say like 店内でお願いします。店内でお願いします which means I would like to drink in. So you say like this and the staff you understand well that they just make and bring to you at inside the cafe shop. They don't prepare for you to bring back home. Okay? Tennai. Tennai is mean inside the shop. Tennai. Onegai shimasu is mean please. But you can say by de. De is mean by or in. Right? So tennai de onegai shimasu, which means I would like to drink in or inside the cafe shop. And another sentence like this. 持ち帰りでお願いします。持ち帰りでお願いします。which means I would like to take out or you would like to bring back home. So you can say like 持ち帰りでお願いします。持ち帰り is mean bring back home. Mochi is from the motsu, which mean take, and kairi is mean back home. So the express mochi kairi is mean bring back home. De onegai shimasu, which mean please. And when you translate to English, it could be like I would like to take out or I will bring back home. So the staff you will understand and they will prepare plastic. They will prepare for you to bring back home, not to drink inside the shop. 持ち帰りでお願いします。The next, and after you finish for order, they will say, the staff will say like this to you. 少々お待ちください。少々お待ちください which means please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. 少々 is mean a little bit, right? Or a moment. お待ちください which means please wait. So this is the polite form. You should remember the expression like 少々お待ちください which means please wait a moment. And after that, when after you're drinking something and you want to order again or you need more extra, you can say like もう一杯追加でお願いします。もう一杯追加でお願いします which means I would like to have an extra shot of espresso. もう一杯 which means one more again, one cup, right? Even you say about the cup, so they will say 一杯, right? So 一杯 is mean one cup, and 追加 is mean extra, and でお願いします is mean please, which mean please give me a cup of coffee more, or please give me more a cup of coffee. Or you can say like, I would like to have an extra shot of espresso. Actually, espresso is the name of the coffee. So you should say about the name of the coffee too. Or another way you can say like this. 豆乳にしてもらえますか？豆乳にしてもらえますか which means can you make it soy milk, which means you want to put the milk to your coffee. So you can say like 豆乳 is mean the soy or the milk. So when you want to need some milk to your coffee, you can say 豆乳にしてもらえますか So it means can you make it soy milk for you? Okay. And after you finish for drinking and you will go back home, you can say like お会計お願いします。お会計お願いします。which means check the bill please. Or could you bring me the bill please? Something like this. 会計is being checked and お願いします is mean please. So that means they will take the bill to you and you check that how much cost and you have to pay for the cost of the coffee. So this about and after that maybe they will say 2000円です。2000円です which means 2000 yen Japanese. 2000円です。And if you go to with your friends or you go to with more than one people, maybe they will say that 別々に払いますか別々に払いますか which means you pay one by one, not pay all at once, which means you separate to pay. Mr. A pay for the cost of Mr. A, Mr. B pay for the cost of Mr. B. So they say 別々に払いますか or you can say 一緒でお願いします which means just pay one time. 一緒でお願いします This means just one person pay, right? Another person don't pay, so you just pay one time. So this is what you have to remember the expression of Japanese when you go to the restaurant or you go to the coffee shop.